Studio Audi e-tron GT 2026, 5-minute English voice over script. Soft cinematic background music begins. Imagine a world where luxury, performance, and the future come together in a single masterpiece. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new Audi e-tron GT 2026. This is not just an electric car. This is Audi's vision of tomorrow. Music slowly builds. Let's start with the design. The moment you see the Audi e-tron GT, its low, wide, and aggressive stance demands attention. At the front, sharp LED matrix headlights, an illuminated Audi logo, and sleek aerodynamic lines create a bold and futuristic identity. Every curve is sculpted for performance. Every line has a purpose. From the side, the coupe-style roofline flows effortlessly. Frameless doors enhance the premium feel, and large sporty alloy wheels give the car a powerful road presence. And at the rear, the continuous LED taillight bar creates a signature glow at night. Instantly recognizable. Instantly Audi. Short pause, beat drop. Now step inside. The interior of the Audi e-tron GT 2026 feels like entering the future. A fully digital cockpit, curved OLED displays, and a driver-focused layout put complete control at your fingertips. Premium leather seats, carbon fiber and aluminum accents, and soft ambient LED lighting transform the cabin into a luxury performance lounge. Everything feels refined. Everything feels intentional. This is not just comfort. This is emotion. Music softens luxury tone. But beauty alone is not enough. The Audi e-tron GT 2026 is built to perform. Powered by dual electric motors, this car delivers instant torque the moment you press the accelerator. No delay. No engine noise. Just pure, seamless acceleration. The car launches forward effortlessly, delivering supercar-level performance. With absolute control, electric power has never felt this thrilling. Music intensifies. And while delivering power, the e-tron GT also respects the future. Fast charging capability, advanced battery technology, and an impressive driving range make long journeys simple and stress-free. This is proof that sustainability and luxury can exist together. Audi has redefined what an electric performance car should be. Short pause. Now let's talk about colors. Matte black, stealthy, bold, and dominant. Electric blue, a true symbol of innovation and the electric future. And red, power, passion, and performance. Each color gives the car a unique personality, yet the attitude remains the same. Confident, futuristic, and premium. Music becomes emotional and inspiring. So the question is not whether this car is electric. The real question is, are you ready to drive the future? Because the Audi e-tron GT 2026 is not just a car. It's a statement. It's a lifestyle. It's the future. Available today. Music slowly fades out.